one, Josh?
So, LED is it?
Yeah.
Alright, Tom, you stay there. Oh.
Didn't go. Is this a screecher?
Yeah, with a crackle.
Screecher with crackle. Oh, it's fell over.
Don't get it. Send the policeman.
Is that a ball one?
It's not. West Lane one.
There you go, bro. Good job.
Right, wasn't it?
Homemade.
Alright, so you've been Is that one of yours, Josh?
Yeah.
Hey, that one's alright, isn't it? Is that one you made?
Homemade.
Yeah. Oh shit. Don't know if it's gonna work.
How many yours as well?
Well, that went well, didn't it? Right, folks, Steve.
This is a made one.
What's that?
The made one.
I made one.
Yeah.
I didn't mind them. They're just what we just used to throw bangers at each other and stuff like that.
We used to time to
What's this, bud? Expensive, that.
my shape. Considerably bigger. That's when he's old. People
Oh,
going
considerably richer than
men
the
in
Arab.
sheds, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Not considerably.
Eddie said that.
You took the biggest bibs. Well,
Way.
Device didn't come down.
Well, that's them.
Whoa, no it hasn't.
Yeah.
Say what the old people next door.
When you go through an age like that, where you try to really do that, it's stupid.
You don't stop with it, sorry.
Myself.
So, oh. You think they got it, wouldn't it?
Has been cold. Yeah, yeah, it's been last week.
Go and have a look.
In the mountains one.
Autumn Fountain.
By Josh Riskett.
He's got your bed under there. Your contents in your bed under.
You've got there, the doors in.
What's this, summer fruits?
Autumn Fountain.
Now that would be good if
What?
Gold crackle.
What's this one?
Gold crackle. James.
You're gonna die.
You're all gonna die.
That's not funny, though, Josh, isn't it? Mad.
The what one?
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Silver snow.
The biggest bad deal.
Hang on, don't go near it.
They are, you could jump in there. Maybe bigger vampire than what they've got.
Is that a homemade one?
Do a what?
Salt and flash.
Bonfire.
Made it to Gillette.
Here we go.
So this is a homemade one then?
So we've got
Whistling. Whistling one.